Hello, everybody. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I'm so excited today, guys. I just purchased a new phone, and yes, obviously, from the title of the video, we all know the phone that we got. It is this Tecno phone. This is the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. I was so excited when I saw this on their page and the specification, and I was like, I had to get this. So this is it. I've been a Tecno fan for ages, guys. I've never used any other phone in my life apart from Tecno. I mean, like, apart from the Nokia's stuff, but I've been using Tecno all my life, like the Premier Pros, all the Sparks, Phantom X. I've made so many people buy Tecno phone, like all my family. Even if you have another phone, you have to get a Tecno phone. I don't even know why they've not recognized me yet, but that's by the way. So I'm here to unbox this right here. So yeah, let's unbox it together. So here is the phone, guys. It has 256 gig ROM and 16 gig RAM, which are some of the stuff that got me so excited about the phone. It has a 32 megapixel ultra clear selfie, ultra clear glowing selfie, and it has a G88 gaming processor. It has a hard-wearing stereo glass, 50 megapixel ultra clear rear camera, and 32 megapixel ultra clear glowing selfie, like I said, which is not bad. The processor is quite good. The network 2G, 3G, and 4G. The dimensions, the display is on 6.8 FHD 90 Hz. The resolution of the camera is at 180 to 460, which is, it's good, it's not bad. Yeah, the connectivity, we have the GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, FM, OTG, and the battery capacity of the phone is 5000 mAh, and it has a G sensor, e-compass, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and side fingerprint sensor. So as we're seeing in the pack, it comes in with the package. It comes in with a charger, a Type-C charger, and also comes in with a headphone, an earpiece. So this is the phone. And yeah, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. So I actually love this phone. I love the back camera. I love everything about this phone, and I'll be exploring this phone. I'll be making lots of videos with this phone. I just love Android phones, guys. I don't know if you're an Android lover, let me know. If you're an iPhone lover, let me know in the comment section. If you're a Samsung lover, I just love Android phones because like they're very very easy to use, and just yeah, I don't know. So that's basically it. If please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and leave me some love in the comment section below. Bye.